Well, another day, although it's not as early in the morning, I must say, for Lily, but as per usual, my girl is saying, you're going to have to turn around and come back this way, Lil, because I'm not opening that door. You going to come down this way? She'll figure it out. Where are you? Hey, I'm down this way. I'm just giving her a little bit of a rub. Let her know that it's this door. Oh, come on, Lil. You're not that silly. And don't even make out that you're silly. Come on. Here. What you doing? What are you doing up there? Hey? Come on down. Come on down here. Quick, because the battery's going flat. She said, oh, I don't care. Not my problem. Come on. Come and say hello. All those lights are losing their sticky on them. And I've got to get some glue onto the back of them, but glue them on because the sticky's just not so sticky. Can't say. Well, there you go. That was a quick way to get here, wasn't it? Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? There's nowhere to go down there, is there? So Lily's going to pretty much do her usual. Her say hello to me very briefly, of course, that my Lily does. And then she will head on up to her favourite spot, the hangout spot, because that's what they do. They know it's there. They know where to go, don't you? So certainly not silly creatures, are you? Mischief. Can get into mischief, but I wouldn't even call that stupidity. That's more curiosity and wanting to check everything out that they can. And Lily is certainly one of those snakes. I've got my Ruby here. Where are you going? Hey? Waiting for me to give you a hand up, are you? By some chance. I'm actually thinking I might take Jesse outside today and let him have a little bit of a cruise around. So yeah, I'll do and add a video of Jessie to Lily making her way to her favourite spot today. It says, what is that black thing? Because that's new. I never have it sitting there, so where are you going? She doesn't know yet. Into the spot where I don't want her to go, of course. Not in there, bub. Can't go in there. Well, not going in there. Hey. There goes, something to climb on, something different. Alonk. Slippery. Jack's digesting, so okay, it's letting me know my battery's going flat, so I'm going to tune out. So Lily's decided that the hangout spot is not where she wanted to go today at all, and so that tells me it's just one of those days with Lily where she actually wants to explore everywhere, which means for me, I'm going to be kept on my toes. Am I not? Hey? Where are you going to go? Miss Lily? It's probably so dark. Where are you going to go? Everywhere and anywhere. That's Lily. I'm just going to flick the bigger light on so we might be able to see a little bit better. Hey, gonna get into mischief. So, you know, keep your eyes on your snakes. If you let them out and they're wandering around, you really have to be vigilant. You know, my room is not completely safe for them to just be left to do as they choose to do. I do have to watch them, and it does mean that I have to have time to watch them. Hence why I've tried to create areas where I know they can go to and be completely safe as possible. And that doesn't mean that I can just go, oh, they're fine there, I'll just leave them there. I still have to be checking. You know, Lily's pretty good. Once she gets up onto the hangout spot and she settles and she's comfortable up there, yeah, she pretty much stays there. But that doesn't mean that I can disappear for an hour and she's going to be okay. I still have to regularly, you know, watch where she's at and what she's doing. It doesn't mean I have to be in this room every second, because I can't be. Lily wants to be out. That's great. I love her being able to come out and be out. But I still have to go and grab the vacuum and run the vacuum over, and you know, I might stop every 60 seconds and run back and have a look and make sure she's there and all the rest of it. And, you know, I've been doing that forever. And I've never known her to just disappear anywhere. You're going to come up here, are you? And check me out. Are you going to be a busy girl today? Hey, and check everything. I haven't even gotten dressed. Lily never gives me time to get dressed. She wants out then and there, and as you know, I'm a bit of a softie, and I do my best to allow that for her, of course. I mean, there are some times when I just can't, because I've got to go out somewhere, and I can't just let Lily out for a little while and say, okay, you've had some time out, so you should be okay. You know, 5 minutes to Lily is, you are kidding. 10 minutes to Lily is, no, that's not enough. Half an hour, some of the time, is not enough for Lily. You know, Lily comes out, can be 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm putting her back at 5 o'clock before I start cooking the meals at night. So, you know, Lily comes out, she stays out. And that is not always convenient for your mum, but I know you don't really care, do you? Hey, so long as you're out, you're happy. More exploring to do out here than in an enclosure, isn't it? It's hot, so hot here. Like, it is terrible. The thing is, you know, the weather, hot weather is great, but it makes you so tired and lethargic and exhausted all of the time. We don't want to go out. We live in our air conditioning. We get into our cars with air conditioning. We go to shopping centres with air conditioning, because if you didn't have it, you wouldn't go anywhere and do anything. I know people that do not have air conditioning at home, and I really feel for them. And not everybody can afford to have air conditioning. And up here in Queensland, you know, it is so vital. Our elderly really pay a price over this time of the year with the heat, especially if they do not have air conditioning, and lots of the elderly end up being hospitalised due to the heat and how hot it does get. I recommend to everybody and everyone to not be out in the heat of the day. It is just too hot for anybody. Certainly too hot for our snakes to be out there. You're doing a wiggly and relying on me to give you that support, aren't you, Lil? So hard to keep up with Lily. She's always moving and grooving, this girl. Seeing where she can get to and go, and yeah, not there. Okay? Not there, girl. So I know for a lot of my US viewers it's snowing, and I think that's amazing when I see videos with snow, and I wouldn't know what it was like to live in the snow and to be shoveling it or clearing the walkways and the driveways and stuff. I've never really had to live like that, and I find it just so fascinating to see all of that. I think my snakes would be shocked. I mean, of course, we do not have pythons in our colder states. They just wouldn't survive down there. But certainly up here where I live, it is a great environment for snakes to thrive in, of course. But yeah, it's hot, guys, and some snow would be lovely occasionally. Just some cooler weather, because we really didn't even get a winter. So it feels like a bit like Jessie with back-to-back shedding. It feels like back-to-back summers. The seasons just don't seem to be altering very much anymore. I don't know what it's like for everybody else in the world, but you know, those seasons are certainly changing, and it's just getting warmer rather than cooler, especially here in Queensland. So, you know, there is supposed to be summer, you know, winter, spring and autumn. Well, to some degree, yes, but no, definitely not at all. It's very strange these days. To me, the world is just getting hotter, and we know the reason why that's happening, but that's us humans, I guess. And lots of animals are suffering because of it. But we're fortunate that our snakes and our animals live within a great environment that we create for them, and thrive and do really well. So I'm going to end this video. I got onto a different sort of a topic, but does interest me and fascinate me, all those sorts of things. And of course I've got to keep up with Lily as well. Make sure she doesn't go under things, which, yeah, she likes to come up here actually on this particular couch, and she goes and checks out Jessie, who is up there keeping warm. Don't know why it's warm. Ruby, of course, is fascinated with Lily, always is. Lily's going, can I get up there? No. Too many cords and stuff over there too, girl. So, I'll get her to come up over here once she gets a bit more of herself here. I know you're going to go back. Okay. So guys, take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Take care of your snakes, which I'm doing right now. Well, one.